Welcome back. FC Goa will look to bag maximum points in their 3 back-to-back home games, beginning with Saturday's clash against FC Pune City at Fatarda. FC Goa are placed 7th in the ISL table, while Pune are 5th. Only the top 4 teams qualify for the knockout phase. In such scenario, FC Goa will have pick up as many points in their 3 home games before they play their last 2 matches away from home.
Faltam 5 degraus para a gente subir. Então não tem que pensar lá na frente, tem que pensar no jogo de amanhã, tentar ganhar para poder continuar brigando pela essa classificação.
So I think we have to think one game each day. We have like 5 steps to go. So we are focusing in the game from tomorrow.
Conhecer, né? Melhor conhecer. Agora quando não já conhecemos, não tem necessidade mais.
When it is the first time, okay, we can acclimatize with the ground and everything, but as we know, the ground is our home, so there is no need to be practicing here.
So, what is the mood within the team, and is there some sort of pressure on the players to actually deliver a win tomorrow?
First of all, good afternoon, everyone. I think there is no extra pressure on the next game. Each game it values 3 points. Of course, it's 3 games that will be very important for us, and fortunately we have these 3 games at home in a row. And the most important is that we worked this week very hard with the new staff, and I think that we are all ready for these 3 finals. And mentally, we have to be very strong because it will be 3 battles that we must fight, and we must give everything to win.
Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore believes India can win medals in boxing, wrestling and badminton at the upcoming Olympics while continuing to impress in shooting. The silver medalist from Athens Olympics, former shooter Rathore, also praised Sports Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. Rathore, who is now the Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, was in Goa for the inaugural ceremony of IFI. Prudent sports editor Neeraj Prabhu caught up with the former Indian shooting icon.
I have with me Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, the silver medalist from the Athens Olympics.
India has tremendous potential, and on all sports, in specific badminton, boxing, wrestling, shooting, hockey, some of the athletic events, we're doing very well. Squash players have started doing very well. It's all a question about opportunity. Also, there is space for every sport to grow, and there is a place in the heart of the Indians for every sports person and every sport. And so therefore the audience and the support that is given now, and the corporate sector which is now coming in, also the government is supporting in a big way. Indian sports is bound to look up ahead.
Which sport gives you a warm feel that India can, achieve more in the upcoming Olympics?
Well, I feel good about any performance which is wherein the sports persons have put in their heart and soul into the game. But of course, when we win in hockey, there's a sense of team, there's a sense of national pride. Also, I believe that sports like boxing and wrestling are going to do well at the Olympics. Shooting will continue to do well as well. Also, other sports like badminton are looking up.
Right. From being a sports star to being a politician, this is a journey that can be an iconic journey, and people would look up to you to achieve what you have achieved in sports. So what's your vision now that you are in politics? What's your vision for India with respect to sports?
See, I feel all of us Indians, whichever field we may be in, if we work towards our national objective of getting India to do well and put in our sincere effort, then we are all bound to grow. The nation grows and we also grow. That's been my motive all through. As regards specific to sports, of course, we have the Sports Minister Sarbananda ji, and he's very enthusiastic. He's very open to ideas. His focus right now, because of the Prime Minister's focus, is Northeast, developing sports in Northeast. And just by his presence in the ministry, the sportsmen feel that there is an ease of access to him, which is brilliant.
One specific advice you have given to a sports minister?
Now, the sports minister is a very capable man. He knows exactly what is to be done in sports, and we all, the various members of parliament or ministers, are all there for each other. Whichever field, whichever ministry we may be looking after, this is what is special about Modi ji's Council of Ministers, that we all are there for each other, because the objective is one: to get the nation to do well.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.